2024 Dodge Durango. With less than 23,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power liftgate. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.